You watching Top 5 Best Smart TV Keyboards. Number 5. Anu Kodi Backlit Mini Wireless. T8 Mini Keyboard have awesome backlit function, beautiful blue light let you easy to type at dark night, FN and F6 to open/close the backlit of the keyboard. 8 Mini Touchpad Keyboard can replace remote control and better than remote control. You can use it like keyboard and mouse, type, and remote. It also can become the game handle. You can use it for emails, chat, or to enjoy your favorite games. T8 Mini Wireless Keyboard, just plug and play. You don't need install any driver, really easy to use. Wireless distance is up to 33 feet, away from desktop. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Sinda Mini Bluetooth Keyboard. Innovative unique design, newest 2013 layout and functions guarantee the best handheld control than all other devices. Portable and elegant with backlight, enjoy convenient typing and multi-touch navigation right from your couch. Multi-touchpad and scroll bar allows for scrolling, screen flip, mouse click and smartphone. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery and also auto sleep/wake mode. Friendly easy switch between Android, Mac, and Windows OS. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. ePassport 3-color backlit wireless. 3-in-1 multifunction 2.4 GHz Mini Wireless QWERTY Keyboard, touchpad combo, with USB interface adapter. Open the battery cover, you will see it. The Mini Wireless Keyboard with 3-color backlight. Just hit FN and F2 to switch between colors, much easier to use it with NVIDIA Shield than the Shield's remote control in darkroom. QWERTY keyboard with 92 keys, wireless keyboard with touchpad supporting multi-touch function, a single finger click as left mouse function. Built-in removable rechargeable Li-ion battery that with longer standby time, no worry about standby time. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Updated Favite MX3 Pro 2.4G. Multifunction, wireless mini keyboard and IR remote and fly mouse combo, with USB interface receiver. Note there is a key for backlit switch, it's right next number 9 in the remote side. It supports Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Compatible with Google Android Smart TV/box, IPTV, network set-top box, mini PC, HTPC, Windows, Mac OS, PS3, projector, etc. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Wireless Mini Keyboard. 2018 newest version, new and elegant design, ergonomic compact QWERTY wireless keyboard with touchpad combo, perfect for Raspberry Pi, PC, Android TV box, Google TV box, Xbox 360, PS3, PS4, HTPC, IPTV, Smart TV. Big touchpad and bright clear keyboard backlit. Touchpad is on the back of the keyboard, 7 colors edges backlight, G sensor function touchpad similar with auto screen rotation used in smartphone, clearly visible. Please check the description for details and